This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 20 Interface I. In Java, an interface allows a class to inherit from multiple sources, enabling the concept of multiple inheritance. It defines a contract or set of methods that any class implementing it must provide implementations for. Unlike abstract classes, which can contain both abstract and non-abstract methods, interfaces consist solely of abstract methods. Abstract classes can only support single inheritance, while interfaces facilitate multiple inheritance. All members and methods in an interface are implicitly public and abstract, with no non-final members or methods allowed. Neither abstract classes nor interfaces can be instantiated directly. They serve as templates for other classes to inherit from. An interface is a public and abstract structure that defines a protocol without providing implementations. It allows a class to implement one or more interfaces, providing its own implementation of the interface methods. This way, interfaces enable multiple inheritance in Java, a feature not supported directly with classes. All methods in an interface are automatically public and abstract, requiring implementation by any class that implements the interface. Variables in an interface are treated as public, static, and final constants. Interface methods cannot be declared as static or final, as they need to be implemented by inheriting classes. Interfaces can extend other interfaces, allowing classes to inherit the combined set of methods from multiple interfaces. This is demonstrated by an interface extending multiple other interfaces, inheriting their constant and method definitions. Classes then implement these interfaces, providing concrete implementations of the abstract methods. Interface inheritance follows a similar concept to class inheritance, with interfaces capable of extending and inheriting from other interfaces. This allows for the creation of complex interface hierarchies and the combination of multiple interface contracts into a single interface that classes can implement. Interfaces promote flexibility, versatility, and code reuse by separating the interface from the implementation. They enable runtime polymorphism, allowing objects of different classes that implement the same interface to be treated uniformly through the interface type. This dynamic binding of method implementations is a key advantage of using interfaces in Java. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.